Hello, and welcome to a short tutorial on how to locate articles in the CSU library. Articles can be found in most of our online databases. On the library homepage, look for and click on the Databases button to get started. This will take you to our A to Z databases list, which contains links to all the databases in our collection. Databases are electronic platforms that contain articles from a wide variety of periodical sources, such as academic journals, magazines, newspapers, and trade publications. Use the database titles and the brief descriptions in this list to help choose the right database, then click on its title to go inside and search for articles. One important note: do not start searching for information from the search box at the top of this page. This box will only search for a database to use. Let's take a look at the first database in the list, ABI Inform Collection. Notice here that there are two search boxes at the top instead of one. This is because it's helpful in a database search to break up long topics into smaller units. Imagine that you are asked to search for a peer-reviewed article on labor unions and their impact on employee recruitment in the United States. Instead of typing all of that into one search box, let's type labor unions in the first box, employee recruitment in the second, and then add a third box and type United States there. Notice that I put quotation marks around each of these keyword phrases. Do this with any search terms that are 2 or more words in length to signal the database that it should search these phrases as complete units. Underneath the search boxes, notice that there are other options for setting more limits for your search, such as full text or peer-reviewed. You will always want to make sure full text is checked so that your search only retrieves articles to which we have full access. And if your assignment specifies peer-reviewed articles, make sure you check that as well. There are ways to limit this search further, but let's go ahead and hit search and see what we get. Here is the sample search results page for this search. In addition to a list of results, there will often be a key noting the search parameters, like this one here on the left side. You can also use this key to further refine your search if necessary. For more information on a specific article, click on its title, or click on the full text link to view the entire article. Now let's try another search in the second database, Business Source Complete. Notice that this database looks different than the first one we tried. However, many of the features of searching remain the same. Consider this assignment. Find 2 articles that explore the topics of leadership and team building in the workplace. First, we enter our search terms into the search boxes at the top. Because these search terms are somewhat broad, I am going to limit them by choosing subject terms as the search field here. And notice the search options section below. When necessary, use the options listed here to apply even more limits to your search, such as number of pages or published date. Let's hit search. Here is the results page for the previous search. Review the items in the results list to identify articles that are the best match for your research topic. Note that you can check your search limits and refine your search using the key on the left-hand side of the page. Again, to access a specific article, click on the title to be redirected to the detailed record page, or click on the PDF full text or HTML full text link to be redirected to the complete article. Utilizing the resources through the CSU library can be very beneficial for you while attending CSU. The librarians are happy to assist you with navigating the databases and finding appropriate sources. You can reach the library by email or phone during normal business hours. Also, the CSU library has 24-hour chat available 7 days a week, including holidays. You can access the chat through the chat box in the lower right-hand corner of the library homepage. Thank you for viewing this presentation, and good luck with your research.